That's ridiculous. No fucking day! That's ridiculous. That's just ridiculous. Anyway, got it out. Just like that. Yeah, kind of missed it. It started raining into the truck, and then when I just got out, it just absolutely got ripped out. Buddy, we'll try and put these back seats in, eh? Let's show where we can get in the foot. Pretty nice. That's pretty nice. It's nice and low, so everyone on the back can be like away from the roof, I guess. It's not good for me, but not really like I'm gonna ever be back here, but gangster. Me. So you know, like Son and I somehow maybe techie it through there and into there, or get them. I might get the sides as well, so I can fill it a little nicely. But yeah, seatbelts are working through there. So we might be going for the Toronto front bash bar on the back. We'll go see how it fits, eh? Actually 100% be mega drift whistle if we get the VT front on it, on the back. Oh, what are we doing? Anyway, well, it lines up pretty good. I got both corners, so I might just use this as a quick little bash bar. Might have to do it. Sits in the bumper on the back thing pretty good, I guess. I reckon I could make a brace pretty easily. Just like that. Hey? Hey, just like that. Or even on the top.
That's kind of cool.
That's kind of on. Hold it. Hey, just really pissing people off. Just really make a creation. Absolutely well and truly. We have come up with the executive decision that we're going to put most of those things on properly and the front end of this video. Huh? Can't be stealing that, mate. You make the executive decision to take the front off this VT. Sorry, Reba, but yeah, mate, nothing's been done with it, so let's do it. Take this fucking two guards off, and then I can take the bump front over there, and we'll see what it looks like, eh? I just found one of the clusters, so you can see if that cluster goes in, and we'll work, and then hopefully we get a gas gauge. Mainly we just want a temp gauge, but I'm gonna mock up all this now. I'm just gonna pull the car forward a bit, and then T screw the front bumper to both the guards, and then see where the front bumper needs to sit for the guys to sit across here with the front bumper there, and then with the bash bar right there, and maybe the other thing there. I don't know. We're getting about to handle it, but we'll see how she goes. Back seats are all in. I already showed you, but absolutely. You see what's going on? Hey, do you see the vision? Hey. So this is pretty much how far I've gotten. It's looking pretty good so far. I'm gonna make something for this, whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna pull it up so it lines up with that line there. I'm gonna tack it on there, and I'm just gonna keep cutting that down so it like lines up with that line. And then yeah, like honestly, if you look at it like from, you'd almost think it's a VT. You know, just a VT, and then oh shit. It's almost a finished product. I mean, she's looking pretty fucking good. I don't know about you, but she's looking like a fucking little V. Oh, like if you get it like that, you get real confused there. You're like, whoa, what's going on? And it's like, whoa. What the fuck? Anyway, I'm probably gonna try and make this sit up a bit further, and then yeah, maybe get some lights in there. I know they're definitely a bit like crooked, like they're not gonna sit in there nicely, but fuck, I mean, it could look pretty funky and funny, so figure it out. Getting really far with this thing now. Holy shit! I should have had put the lights in first, so we could have, because this needs to be like bashed in a bit, but I think that'll do. Just set the light up a bit. Fucking bingo bango, mate. Got us a VT Commodore. Gangster. We on. I was just working on the bro's car, then what the fuck's got a tow bar there for? Ooh.
What the fuck?
The bro's car. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Oh, absolutely. Bombing hole? Hold on. Hold on, double sidey. Shooty street front bumper. Ooh. Fuck, it does look so good from the front, hey? And then you look at the back and it's like, oof. How do you make a combi look more JDM spec? And then how do you make a combi look more, I don't know, VT spec, more back front? Those ones. Yep. Oh, what is it? What did he say? The ducks. What is it?
Duck Island.
Duck Island. Remember where I actually last updated? I don't think I'm gonna put that there. But yeah, it's pretty much done now. Made a little bracket here for the lights. Absolutely beautiful. I'm thinking of maybe doing something here. I don't know yet. I think there's other things to do before I do that. So I think that's pretty much just kind of done for now. I just need to get a slave cylinder for the Steffi, fix the Steffi clutch, and then do some other things to that, tweak it up, and she should be freaking ready to go. Oh, absolutely. Oh, absolutely. Abso-fucking-loot-rig. Absolute rig. Absolutely. Oh, abso-fucking-lutely. Oh, absolutely. Oh, absolutely. I really enjoy that. I really enjoy that. There's definitely a couple more tweaks that I have to do to it, but I definitely have to make a battery mount and make the team gauge work. Definitely need a fucking team gauge, but it's pretty much this one done now, so you get to the safe. Well, that's probably just another day at Ravdogslife. I don't know what else we're going to do for this today, but I keep not ending the videos, so saying the week, learn to learn. So if you keep fucking up, doing the same shit over and over again, learn to fucking learn. Learn from your fucking mistakes. Remember as well, let me day keeps a fucking doctor away. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It actually smells like dog food. It smells like dog food, like dog roll. It's got to be good. Nah, it's got to be good, eh? You got to prime it. Give it a prime and give it a taste.
Let's get it all out into your hand. It's just fucking straight dog roll.
Nah, come on, gotta get it out. Gotta get it out. Oh, it's coming. I can hear it.
Oh, here he comes. You can't eat this one.
I can hear it, surely. Nah, yo, I'm key. I am so, yo, chop it up with a knife. Chop it up with that.
Oh, wait, lick the juice, lick the juice.
Okay, record this.
No, you can't eat
Get a slice each.
It's not safe.
Come on.
It ain't safe on the block.
This is yum on the block. I bet you it's gonna be nice.
Fuck, nothing like a bit of spam, Sammy.
Come on, let's get a slice each, go.
Who's going for the crust?
Slice each.
Logan, crust. Crust.
God.
Nothing like a bit of spam, hey.
Go on. Go on, give it a go. Try it. Cheers, brothers. Cheers, brothers. Cheers, brothers.
Oh.
No. That's actually dog food. Just add spam here, Rickon.
Fuck that shit.
It's like fishy and like.
That was a good roll, eh? That rolled so good.
Fucking Jesus. I don't know what. Get that out of here. I can taste it. This dog food, eh?
I feel like Travis enjoyed it.
It was kind of nice, but like, it tasted like, it was fishy. It was fishy and like salty. It was like, I wanted to give it a go, you know? I wanted to give it a go, but absolutely not. Absolutely not.